Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we are going to rationalize the denominator of this fraction that you see. Now, before we do that, let me tell you what the goal of rationalizing a denominator is. We want the square root out of the denominator. That's it. We want the square root out of the denominator. The way we do that is to multiply by what's called the conjugate. Now, the conjugate is the term with the square root, but we change the sign. So instead of 3 plus the square root of 2, we do 3 minus the square root of 2. We do that on the top and the bottom of a fraction. Now, I would encourage you to put these in parentheses. A lot of times, if we don't put them in parentheses, we forget that we have to distribute. So putting them in parentheses helps to remember. So now on top, we'll distribute the 7. 7 times 3 gives me 21. 7 times square root of 2 gives me 7 on the square root of 2. Be real careful. I have students who want to make that square root of 14. Can't do that. Okay. Then on the bottom, I got to FOIL or distribute. So I'm going to do 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 times the negative square root of 2, which is negative 3 square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times 3, which is positive 3 square root of 2. And then square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, which is negative square root of 4. All right, so let's simplify and see what we get. I get 21 minus 7 square root of 2 on top. Then on the bottom, I have 9. Then minus 3 square root of 2 and plus 3 square root of 2 go away. And then I have minus square root of 4, which we know is 2. So I have 21 minus 7 square root of 2 over 7. I'm not quite finished yet, but I want you to notice the square root is now out of the denominator. Remember, that was the goal of us rationalizing. However, both of these numbers on top are divisible by 7. So what we can do is to break it up into two fractions with the 7 so we can simplify. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. 7 square root of 2 divided by 7 is square root of 2. And this is my final answer, simplified. So that's a lot of work to get that square root out of the denominator, but we did it. Okay, so remember, we multiplied by the conjugate. That's the terms with the square root, but we changed the sign. Be sure to do a lot of distributing, so use parentheses where necessary, and then, of course, simplify at the end. All right, friends, bye for now.